Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to list and sell digital products on TikTok Shop. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok Shop account, which of course I've done right here. Now with TikTok Shop, you can tap into TikTok's vibrant, engaged global community to build your business and turn discovery into purchase. Once you create your account and you launch into it like this, head over to the left corner of your screen where you have these options, which include others, products, marketing, affiliate, live and video, growth center down to finance. Go ahead and click on products. Once you click on product, you're going to have to click on manage product, which is here. So go ahead and select add new product, either from here or from here. And that's going to take you into this window. Then right here in this page where I can now add my product details. So the first thing you're going to find is product image. You're going to have to upload an image for primary, secondary, different in use variations, styling, close up, and size and scale. Go ahead and upload your image, the image of your product. The next thing is product name. You're going to have to enter the product name of the digital product that you want to sell. So let's say this product name will be, I'm going to type in ebook. So that's ebook, and because the recommended length is 25 characters or more, so I'm going to do ebook, and I'm going to do digital ebook online. So that's digital ebook online. So after entering digital ebook online, as you can see, it says category will be identified automatically according to the product name. So this is digital ebook online, and select this category. You're going to see that you're going to see the digital product. So you see books, magazine, and audio. Now this has been added. So click on that. Now you can go ahead and select the category of the book that you want to sell. Let's say literature and arts. And what category of literature and arts? That's going to be literature. That's adding up. So you see this has been added. So books, magazine, and audio, digital art, and literature. So go ahead and select your brand. Once you've added your brand, your digital brand. So after selecting your brand, you have product attributes. So because it's a digital product, now you can add the publisher, the editor, the ISBN, the translator, number of pages, fill out all of those. And once you do that, head over to product details and add your product details. If you want to use AI generated product description, please feel free. And if you have a video description of your book, go ahead and click on video and add your video. If you need to enable variations, please do that. That's the price in stock, add this. And once you do that, shipping, and down to this. So once you fill out all of these details, go ahead and click on submit for review and wait for a while for them to let you know if your product has been listed successfully. So that's pretty much how you can list and sell digital products on TikTok Shop. So you can go for this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.